Want a little container for the shelf?
No, let's just use this mat and I'll just wipe the table.
In the voter constituency in the Democratic Party is certainly black women, and to bypass the vice president would have been untenable for many of them. Progressives had been standing by the president, the Congressional Black Caucus, the Congressional Hispanic Caucus. Those core constituencies were with him until he made this decision. And so it is notable that the vice president's team would now be thinking about potential running mates for her. I have been told that that process is now opening up, and there would be kind of a deep bench of Democrats who might serve in that role.
So really what you see here is the vice president in some ways having to step into
now
this
she's
role
got to find the vice president. She's got to find the vice president. She's got to find the vice president.
I also want to
go ahead, Amish, very quickly.
I also want to just point out
Joe
that there are a
Biden.
lot of people that are really sort of talking about this open
For
process
vice
and what
president.
that might look like. My understanding is that there are going to be a lot of women,
And then
especially
everyone will be
black
like,
women
okay,
who are leaders of the
that works.
Democratic Party, who are
It
going to
works.
say she cannot be stepped over, that she cannot be put.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile,
garlic is being shucked.
garlic is shucked, and it's hard because it's dry, but it's like not old, so the skins are still pretty.
We should let it dry a little bit more.
No, we should bring it in soon. We should bring it in, and it'll dry just on its own, just not using it.
I've heard that you let it dry for a year.
Really? I don't think that would be too much.
Does it need to be refrigerated?
No, I think everything. It seems like the general rule is store everything in a dark, cool place, just to store, to store food. That's like the ideal environment, dark, cool place, so that things don't start sprouting, growing. This is called Symphony. This garlic was called Symphony. This type of garlic. So one of these, I planted one of these, and they each became a bulb. Amazing. One thing became many.
Are you keeping some to
Yeah, I think
replant?
I'm gonna keep like two. I'm gonna try garlic again. I think it might be worthwhile. I don't know. I'll try it again for one more year. I'll keep like 2 or 3 really the biggest bulbs. They say keep the healthiest and biggest bulbs to plant for next year. So you're like genetically selecting. And also these bulbs, the next generation of garlics, their parent has grown in our garden, so it'll be acclimated even more. So that's something I learned this year about seeds and plants. If you save your seeds, the second round, a third, fourth, fifth round of seeds will be so acclimated to your environment, they'll grow even better. Which is something I didn't think about. It's pretty important. I'm gonna have a snack because I'm starting to feel a little nauseated. There's some squash from our garden.